Engineer Lee's business trip went quite smoothly, right?
Very smoothly.
What problem did you mainly solve this time?
The problem of making extra-large paper bag bottom sizes with the T180.
What are the sizes of the bags produced on site by the customer?
This is a sample bag produced by customer.
Length 350, bottom width 220, height 330 millimeters. This has already surpassed the previous limit size of the T180. Our previous T180's largest bag bottom width was 180 millimeters, right? How stable is the T180 in producing this size of paper bag in the customer's factory?
Production is quite stable at present. I think there's still a lot of room for improvement in machine speed.
That's okay. Let's first solve the problem of whether we can produce it, and then solve the speed problem. Well done. Our technology department has always been committed to this. First, solving problems for customers. Second, creating value for customers. Achineve customer success. Customer first. Good job. Keep up the good work.